Hello, I'm going to show how you can take your rear seats out on this Toyota Camry. This one's the SE version, so it's a little bit different from the other ones where we will have to take this bottom chair out and also take these out as well in order for myself in this case to access the rear suspension strut. Alright, so these seats are kind of difficult to get out. I've been having issues. So there are two clips, one in the middle there on that seat and one in the middle there on that seat. And those clips are sucked in there quite good. So I believe I have a solution to this and we'll see if it works. So in order to you have to use a crowbar, and what you do to lift this portion up, and then you slide your crowbar right under it, and then you're able to pop up the seats. So we'll give it a go. All right, so if we go take a look under the seat, we'll see where the clip is. We take a look, you see that white spot? That's where the hook is in. So we need to pop that hook out. It's not that white piece you see, it's a metal hook that is inserted inside of it. So we'll pop that out using the crowbar. All right, so bring in the crowbar. Here is the crowbar, and you're gonna shove it under here. And you're just gonna slide it till kind of gets to where that hook is. Oh. And there it is. There's the first side. So there's the hook, and that's where it gets inserted. Yeah, that was super difficult. Lots of arm grease into that. So let's go on the other side now. Okay, so what I'm actually going to try is doing it from the other side, since this seat, part of the seat is lifted up. So we'll get that over there, right near that little clip. Just gonna feel for it. There we are. Pull the seat up. And there's some treasures. Look at that. And if you're curious what we have found, we have a dryer lint or a dryer sheet. Got a skirt for $6. Purchased in 2010. Take a look over here. I don't know what that little packet is. Black pepper. That is black pepper. Got some, got 5 cents there. Oh, and I see a little ladybug. So we'll get that cleaned out right now. All right, so I'll just show you how to put the back seat in. So should be a lot simpler. Let's slide it in. Make sure you got your seatbelt buckles coming up. Get the slots. goes through. And you just give it a good shove. Make sure the rings are in the plastic. Just like that. That is how you take out your back seat and put it back in. Super hard to get it off. Definitely use a crowbar for that, and putting back in super easy. Just snaps into place. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful for you. I have definitely not seen anything on the internet for the SE specifically, but yeah, thank you.